Hello, travel friends. We wrapped up our trip to Japan earlier this year with a stay at the stylish W Osaka, one of the city's trendiest luxury hotels. In today's video, we'll take you inside our room, share the incredible service we experienced, and highlight the hotel's on-site amenities, dining options, and convenient location. We'll also share how we booked this stay using points and how much you can expect to pay with cash. Let's get started.
Killian's excited to get in. Let's see what we got. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Does the curtain open automatically? That's insane. I've never seen this. So as soon as we open the door, the curtains just open. Wow. So first impressions, it's a large room. Love the screen. It's like a nice little chill area here. Look at these views. A smiley camera. Look at that. A smiley pillow.
Smiley.
Okay, so this is the bar area. So I like that they have an espresso. Seems like part of the course with all the Western brands that we've stayed at, such as Hyatt. These are all your glasses. Kettle warmer. This is your minibar. So you got some champagne, vodka, whiskey. Nice selection. You can make your own cocktail with a little W mixer. Not sure how much those cost. I'll try to find the menu here somewhere. Looks like you got more goodies over here. Let's see. Ooh, even more cold stuff. So this is your beer soda selection, and then this is your garbage. This is the fanciest garbage we've gotten. So recyclable, and then they call them burnables here. So yeah, nice table to like relax. This pulls out. Then it comes with
This is the only hotel other than the
Hyatt Regency
that provided kids slippers.
The slippers are a nice touch. They're very branded. So W Osaka.
And mine are yellow.
Killian gets his own too.
Yeah, they're yellow.
Yes. Nice couch area. Here's the view. So I think we got some gold Bombay. So it looks like we got upgraded to like one of the higher views. So this is Osaka here, downtown Osaka. Bed is a king bed. I think this is the safe. Oh no, just storage. And wow, it's a lot of buttons. So I'm gonna have to mess with these. I don't know. I think a lot of the lights. So yeah, very modern. I love it. This is your remote. It's all in Japanese, but you know, easily understood. The closet it's nice. It's more spacious than most. Very colorful. Looks like it fits a lot of luggages. Of course, you get the W branded robe. That's a nice touch. This is your makeup area. A nice washing sink, mirror. So it looks like you got some essentials, blow dryer. Oh, these are all your little hygiene kits or kit. So you got a lot of your essentials in here. Some lotion, I think. Yeah, body cream. So yeah, nice. All your towels are gonna be here. You have a little scale so you can measure. Bathtub. It's really nice bathtub. And then this is your walk-in shower, which is separated. This is the first hotel we've had in our 16-day here in Japan where the tub and the shower are actually separate. There's a little bit of separation. It's all been like one room. So that's a bit different. And then your restroom is right here. So typical Japanese one. And this one has a dryer, so that's nice. Out of all the ones we've done a couple Hyatt, Centric, Regency Place. This is the only one that had a dryer. So that's nice. I guess when you go 4 stars or higher, you get a dryer. That's cool. And then I think this is part of the closet. So yeah, that's it. So this is the king room at the W. We're on the 9th floor, no, 17th floor. So yeah, it's super nice. The cash price for this one was 70,000 yen, which converted in dollars, we're looking at about like 400 to 500, something like that. If you're using points, I saw the rates in the 40,000 range. So this is a perfect use for a Bonvoy certificate. If you have one of those Marriott certificates,
You can also get free
you can
candy.
use it here.
Yeah, the candy, coffee, and water and tea are free.
Oh, okay.
Everything else, only this candy.
You read that somewhere?
Yeah, it says on here.
Oh, so there's a thing about that. We weren't
So
sure.
canned water, coffee, tea, and the original Pocky, which are the little chocolate sticks, are complimentary. And if you want anything else from the minibar, you can scan this to see the price. So any of that or any of
I
the
see.
stuff in the fridge.
Okay,
What are
so
those
good to know.
other candies?
So yeah, at least you get a couple things. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, it's a great, if you're looking to stay on points, it's a great redemption because you can avoid paying 500 a night for a fancy hotel. And if you have a stash of Marriott points, I recommend at least 4 nights. You get your 5th one for free. So for 200,000 points, you can stay here for 5 nights, which is quite a deal. So highly recommend it. And then we'll show the rest of the amenities later. Like we'll try the bar, we'll try to have a snack, see what they have, and then show you the rest of the things in the property. There's also another closet here that I didn't mention. So basically you get 2 spaces for your luggage, and I like that it has these racks so you can put your suitcases over there. I do like how a Japanese hotel such as the W, you don't have to hang something outside, you just press a button. So right here, do not disturb, and if we change that, they'll clean the room.
Then you can get in.
If you're wondering if you would fit in as a Westerner in this bathtub,
Wait, hi.
Jen is 5'7" and she can fit.
Here, you try, Kenny. Come on, let me get out.
It's good that it's not like a medium one. Good.
You like that it has those things in the middle?
Yes. Kenny can lay down all the way.
I also want to point out the service here has been top notch. Every interaction with the staff member has just been outstanding. From the second you come in, they take your luggage and then you begin the check-in process. They take care of everything. Even when your room is ready, they will deliver the luggage to you straight to your room. I noticed that it even carries the politeness of the shoe hygiene culture here. So when she was bringing in the suitcases, she took off her shoes if coming into the room, and then she would put them back to go outside. And then even when we were escorted to the elevator, they were bowing at us, as courtesy as they usually do here, as the elevator doors were closing. So yeah, service has been top notch. Very impressed with it. So far, very impressed with this property. So this is the outdoor area, but it's pretty windy and cold, so not a lot of people are. So while we wait for check-in, we're just at the bar checking out the selection. So if you like beer, like we do, they do have some Japanese draft beer. Looks like it starts at 1,200 yen, so just under $10, all the way to 2,800 for the Rokoku Tokyo Wide. I'm trying the premium mold Kora Alley. That's this one. We also have some seasonal cocktails, so we're also trying the spring celebration. We're also trying a snack. So this is the chicks. What was it called?
Hot chicks.
Hot chicks. So it's basically fried chicken and fries. And we've had a lot of fried chicken while we've been here. this is the first time that it comes in a bone, so that's kind of nice. All right, so we came across this beer at the W bar, Rococo Tokyo White. It got our attention because of the price tag, and so then we started researching it because we said, I don't want to pay, it's 3,000 yen, like 20 bucks. Like, I don't want to pay that at a hotel. Come to find out, they don't sell it at supermarkets. This beer is it's only served at like Michelin star restaurants, and it's basically meant to be paired with your food so that you can have like a good, decent beer rather than the classic like a wine or champagne, which is what people normally have. So it looked very interesting, but it's basically like a white ale, like a Hefeweizen, which is right up our alley. We've had many of these, and so for the price they're commending, I'm curious to see how it stacks up. Wow, it's very smooth. They don't kid when they say no bitterness. There is no bitterness in this thing.
Is it worth the price?
I mean, it's tough to tell. Like, if I compare that to like a Paulaner Hefeweizen, which would be 15 euro for like a Stein, you're getting more bang for your buck, but the quality's there. I mean, I get it. If I was at a high-end restaurant and you're splurging, you're buying a $100, $200 meal, sure, this pairs perfectly. I'd rather do this than like a lot of wines. But for casual drinking, no special occasion, but yeah, it tastes really nice. This is by far the nicest gym we've done. Killian's already punching. Some fancy machines. We got some ellipticals with views of the city. The weights only go up to 20 kilos. I don't know how they're building muscle here in Japan with only 20 pounds. Very modern machines. Towels available, bicycles. Cable machine. We have some kettlebells. Yeah, this is very nice. And they have this other machine here. I might have to, looks like you can get your body composition. I have to come back for this. This is like a DEXA machine, looks like. That's cool, I've never seen that included at a hotel. And then I think this is the machine where you follow an app and you do the exercises on the mirror. So yeah, very nicely equipped gym. This is like the yoga area. So you have some foam rollers, and then you can do more exercises here in the mirror. But the best part is, look at these views. If you want to work on your boxing skills, they got you covered here. This water is available. And then they have earphones. Looks like they do some fruit in the morning. And then for when you're done, they have these floral wipes.
Now we wanted to take a minute to mention a couple of other features that make the W Osaka a standout property. First is the convenient location of the hotel. The Shinsaibashi train station is only a couple of blocks away, and the hotel itself is located within close walking distance to the Shinsaibashi shopping district, as well as the famous Dotonbori area, so it's really easy to get around. The hotel does offer some other room options if you need more space. There are larger rooms and even suites to accommodate your family. Now in terms of dining options, there's the living room, which is where we had snacks and drinks during our visit, and we showed that earlier in this video. There's also Ulala, a French brasserie, Teppanyaki Maido and Sushi Yukio, both for Japanese food. There's the Mix-Up Coffee House, as well as the wet bar and dry deck, which is by the indoor pool. The hotel also offers in-room dining, and breakfast is available as well. While we showcased the impressive gym earlier, we unfortunately didn't get a chance to try out the indoor pool. The pool does have kids hours from 12 to 5, which is for children ages 6 and up with adult supervision, and it's by reservation only. The hotel also offers spa services if that's something that you're interested in. Overall, we were really impressed with the W Osaka as a whole. The hotel really delivered on both style and service. Between the convenient location, the impressive amenities, and the value we got by booking with points, it's a property we'd definitely be excited to return to. If you're looking for a fun, upscale hotel in Osaka, this might be a good fit for you and your family. See you soon!